Nestled within a serene wooded landscape, the G+G House by Robert Gurney Architect exemplifies a harmonious dialogue between modern design and its natural surroundings. This residence balances minimalist architectural expression with a deep sensitivity to its site, creating a home that feels both contemporary and grounded. The exterior is a study in contrasts, combining natural materials such as stone and wood with sleek elements like steel and glass. The interplay of textures gives the facade a dynamic quality, allowing the home to merge effortlessly with its environment. Expansive windows blur the boundary between indoors and out, inviting natural light to flood the interiors while framing breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Inside, the G+G House offers a series of interconnected spaces designed for both privacy and openness. The main living area features soaring ceilings and an open-plan layout, fostering a sense of airiness and connection. A neutral material palette of polished concrete, warm woods, and clean white walls creates an understated yet sophisticated aesthetic. Sustainability is a cornerstone of the G+G House's design. Passive solar strategies, energy-efficient systems, and the use of locally sourced materials demonstrate a commitment to environmentally responsible building practices. The private quarters, tucked away in more secluded areas of the home, provide tranquil retreats. Each bedroom is oriented to take advantage of natural light and views, ensuring a strong connection to the outdoors. Thoughtful design details, from custom cabinetry to seamless transitions between materials, reflect the architect's meticulous attention to craftsmanship. The outdoor spaces further enhance the home's connection to nature. A series of terraces and patios extend the living areas outward, providing opportunities for relaxation and entertainment amid the tranquil setting. The integration of landscaping and architecture creates a cohesive experience where the built and natural environments coexist in harmony. The G+G House by Robert Gurney Architect is more than a home, it's an exploration of how modern design can resonate with its surroundings. Through its thoughtful blend of form, function, and sustainability, it offers a serene and inspiring retreat that elevates the everyday.